Nitong isang araw ay isang private birthday dinner party ang hinost ng kanyang mga kaibigan para sa ika-39th birthday ni Casey Concepcion. Present ang ilan sa malalapit na kaibigan ni Casey gaya nila Rufa Gutierrez, Crystal Bello, Pinti Tobiano, Garlic Garcia, at ilan sa kanyang mga non-showbiz friends.
Crystal too, right
Yeah.
there.
Wow. Happy birthday,
April
Sally.
babies and
Happy birthday.
Miriam. April.
Wow.
How do you eat it?
And then continue.
This one is actually sinantolan. So we're gonna be serving this with rice cracker later. So if you're gonna eat it, it's more of like a dip with a cracker.
Sarap-sarap nito. Naalala ko siya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I haven't met you pa.
From the Philippines, but after which I went to New York to study.
Okay.
And then I worked for Nubu Matsukisa there in downtown. Before I moved out to Singapore, and then I was one of the pioneer batches from the restaurant Pollen by Jason Atherton.
So, kayong mag-asawa. Kayong mag-asawa with Casey. Just then kayo daw. Thank you.
Before I knew that I was so in love with you, you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I've gone beyond existence. And it all be, oh my God, movie ko to. Yeah! I love you. Oh my God. When I look in your eyes, I just know